And in tonight's viewer mail, we're discussing brown fat. 22 News registered dietitian Nancy Dell live in the studio to answer your questions. Thanks for joining us, Nancy.
An exciting topic.
So our first question is from Katie from Palmer. She asks, how can I increase my brown fat?
Well, first let me tell you that brown fat is the fat on your body that creates heat to keep you warm and burns calories. It's located in our upper back, our neck, and our shoulders. The more brown fat you have, the more calories you burn. Our brown fat tends to decrease as we get older, and just 2 ounces of brown fat, what looks like a quarter cup, can burn 200 or even more calories a day. That's enough calorie burning to lose 20 pounds in a year or prevent weight gain as we get older. Most of the studies on increasing brown fat have been done with animals, and they may or may not apply to humans, but here's what we know so far. In animal studies, we can increase brown fat by eating fish oils and plant oils like olive oil, nuts, instead of animal fat like butter, cream, cheese, and fatty meats. Also by eating adequate iron and avoiding iron deficiency. And by eating apples with skin. The skin contains a compound that may stimulate brown fat. This compound is also found in blueberries, plums, and prunes. Here are 6 more compounds that may help: green tea, garlic, seaweed, resveratrol found in red grapes, curcumin, which is a compound in the spice turmeric, and the spice cayenne pepper, the active compound being capsaicin.
So this is a fat that you definitely would want to have.
You want to have.
And are there other lifestyle factors that can help boost brown fat?
There are. So our sleep chemical called melatonin plays a role. So it helps that we can produce melatonin naturally at night by avoiding overhead lights. You want to avoid light from electronics like TV, computer, at least 1 hour before bed so that you can sleep well. In addition, exercise can increase brown fat, and cold temperatures under 64 degrees for 2 hours a day may do the same, but it might also increase your hunger. Now, the National Library of Medicine has over 10,000 studies on brown fat, and researchers are working on pills to help stimulate brown fat as well. But until we know more, you can eat more plant foods and seafood, drink green tea, use your spices, exercise, and be sure you sleep well.
Doesn't sound too bad.
No, it's all good stuff.
Well, thanks for joining us, Nancy. And if you have a question for her, you can write to her via the address on your screen or just log on to our website, wwlp.com.